What's up, guys? My name is Jan, and I started programming when I was only 11 years old, and I'm a co-founder of AirCloud. And today I will tell you about Imagine Cup and my experience in it. How I become a programmer? Here's a photo of computer science Olympiad that was in 2017, I suppose, and he's my teacher, me, and my friend Vlad Gadalov, with whom we make a new project that called AirCloud. But now, what is my first big project? This the best consultant. I was made it when was in the last year of the school, and with this project, I will come to the Imagine Cup and collect many medals on international conference like Baltic Self, Self, and International Conference of Young Scientists in computer science. Okay, and the main problem that this project solves is the money that a lot of shop assistants can't earn because of bad service. And this project can help to serve a lot of clients based only on his or her face. And also coupons. Imagine that you don't need to have a lot of debit cards in your pocket or specific like tickets. It's all can be saved inside the shop, and you can only come here, and your shop assistant already know what is free for you or where you have a sale. And statistics say that the USA stores spend more than $41 billion a year on the neglecting of their employees. And also, a lot of directors of shops uh, have earn not a lot of money because of 82% of users leave because of the bad service team, bad service. And also coupons. Forget about these apps for phones or specific tickets in your pockets, and you can use only your face. And here I put the hypothesis. Can we now study how to speak with anybody using only his or her photo? Okay, and I had a research with the company Cognitive Technology of the System. It's a Russian company that makes a lot of project with face recognition and any other projects of augmented reality, and it based on making applications with work with your face. And also, after this research, we have a certificate of the American Psychological Association. And how does it work? When you come to the shop, camera catch your face and send this photo to the cloud. And here we make a little computations, and after that return you script for serve and goods and the server side. Here was a lot of neural networks that can describe that you're male or female, your age, race, emotion, and all of this work on Microsoft Face API. And also, I made a psychological neural network that can understand your psychogeometric type, and also understand your interests. Both of these neural networks was trained by uh, analyzing Twitter accounts of users and analyzing their psychotypes with Doctor of Psychological Science in Belarusian. And also this system work like a quite learned system that can help to localizate in your shop or your hotel or restaurant. For example, when somebody come, you have instruction how to serve this person, but is not always good for this person. And you can tune this model, and after only 400 responses, the system will autocorrect. And yes, I understand that this project had many competitors like Microsoft Face API, Google Vision API, and SAP AR technology. And what is Imagine Cup? Imagine Cup is the biggest competition for students who wants to make a project, startups, and be on the edge of the technology. I was here twice. The first one I was in 2018, and here a lot of interesting projects, a lot of interesting people, and this competition was founded by Bill Gates maybe 15 years ago to connect people together, to connect students to make a new projects and products. And the Microsoft company can help you to do this. And how to register to Imagine Cup? For example, in 2018, we have three steps to in Imagine Cup. First is the regional finals. That was a Skype call where a lot of teams, maybe 10 from the Republic of Belarus, make a pitch about those projects. For example, I told maybe about the best consultant project, and after that, many of judges take marks, and maybe in 2 weeks, I have a mail that I have a first or second place and can show my project on East Europe finals. That was in Minsk in May, I suppose. And the next step is the East Europe finals. That was in Minsk, as I say, and is so pretty interesting. And the World Finals was in the USA in Seattle. And now I will tell you about Imagine Cup 2018. How was it? The finals was in Minsk, and here you can see bridge team that was in the USA with me. And here is the judges of this competition. Is Dmitry Soshnikov, that was a main person, I think. And okay, Imagine Cup is a technical competition that consists of two parts. First part is the stand pitch, and another is a big pitch. And what is a stand pitch? You have a table where you can put your project if it's something technical or IoT, put your phone, put your laptop, and in maybe every 5 minutes, one of the judge come to you, and you should tell about your project in many seconds, like a elevator pitch in 30 seconds or 45 seconds. And after that, you can make a hands-on with every judge. And this help to make an understanding of your project for every person. And after that, you have a like a little Q&A, and you can answer all the questions that the judge can ask you. And the next step is the pitch. It's like a public pitch that was shown in the YouTube channel, and here you can tell about your project all around the world. And judges give maybe 10 minutes for this. On the finals, on the worldwide finals, you have only 3 minutes, and in the last final, you have only 1 minute to describe your project. And here you should tell about the main problem of your project, how do you solve it, market value of the project, and something else if you want, maybe about your business model. And after your pitch, you will have 5 minutes for questions. Questions can be about your project, about your team, about how you will do it, how you will sell it, technical side, maybe about another side. What is your favorite pizza, or why you come to the Microsoft? And the main question on this after these speeches is how do you work with Microsoft AP, Microsoft technologies? What is your Azure API? What products of Azure you use here? Is and if you want to come Imagine Cup, you should use many of Microsoft technologies that was shown on the Microsoft site before you register to the Microsoft Imagine Cup. Like 2 year, last 2 years, you can come to Imagine Cup if you use IoT side of Azure, blockchain, neural networks, and AR or VR. And here is the screen of my pitch. And here I show how my project works for all the audience. And there is a Python script of the project that start a program. And here you can see this crazy boy in the red shot. And as a result, I have this big prize and will come to the worldwide. As you see, the Azerbaijan comment and the Ukraine comment. And after the Microsoft competition, we have a big after party in Minsk, and we buy a lot of pizza and KFC chicken. And also in Belarus, we have a lot of great shawarma. And if you come to Minsk, please come to food court on our big amusement center in uh, that called Galleria. And also we have a lot of dishes, but my favorite is draniki. Is like potato, but is our nationality male. Please don't forget about this if you come to Minsk or Belarus. And I was only one in my team, and because of this, I connect with the Armenian team to make a project of the finals. We make a system that can help HR managers ha- to collect more people to the company. And this was photos from Major Cup finals in Seattle. And nowadays we have a new project and a new team with my friends from the university. Today I study in Belarusian State University on the Faculty of Applied Mathematics and Computer Science. And he is Vlad, me, and Anton. And our new project is the Air Cloud. Air Cloud sys- is a system that can solve many of problems, like can reduce cost of workspace, can throw away your IT lazy support team, reduce electricity costs, can easy make scaling of your hardware, and can help secure your data. And this solution is a little computer with the size of debit card that costs only $30 and have unlimited power. How? This is not make any computations. Is work like a tiny client and connect to the cloud to work with Windows or Unix or Android if you want. And this reduce money for the computer, and also is reduce electricity. And how does it work? This little computer sends all the your events that your mouse events, your keyboard events to the cloud, and after that, cloud send you image and sound. And it's not a mistake. Here is a smartphone. You can work with any device anywhere. For example, this is a video that we make when we come to the Imagine Cup 2018. And here are our competitors. And as you see, we are cheaper. We can work in the mobile networks, and we can work without PC. For example, Citrix can't work without PC, and is a real pain to work with these solutions in the big company. And here is demonstration of protocol works. And as you see, we work in fast. And for example, we can run the video here. And how did we make it? We developed a lot of algorithms that help us to do this. And also, one of our server can work with 40 workspaces. And what about C Imagine Cup Finals 2019? We come here with our another solution, but after that, Imagine Cup help us to make another business model and come to the another country, to the St. Petersburg, to work with the big company Kirovsky Zavod, and today we work with them, and Imagine Cup help us to do this. And I really like to Imagine Cup, and suppose this can't. And how to win Imagine Cup? I'm actually don't know because I don't win this. And maybe you have a questions. Okay, thank you very much. And if you want to have more information about Imagine Cup, please contact me in Telegram or send a mail. Thank you. What is the name of the specialty for which you study? Okay, I study computer science in the Faculty of Applied Mathematics and Computer Science in the Russian State University. And I suppose you don't want to study here because applied mathematics is so hard for you and you don't have a lot of time to study another interesting things like computer science or I don't know Python programming, C sharp programming that will help you to work anywhere or make some projects or products in the future. Is the like a place where a lot of professors and teachers can make your mindset like through mathematics, but you can't have here a management something that help you manager to work like a manager or team leader in the big company. And because of this, I don't like this specialty and faculty. Is don't make like skills and soft skills for you and only technical and mathematical skills. And another question, what projects need to come Imagine Cup? Okay, first of all, you need a great idea that can change the world, I think, is the main that you should have. And this helped to win. For example, my first project can help you to serve and decrease an aggression inside and shops, restaurants, and any other places. Another project helps you to decrease the money of making new offices and to help you, for example, work with many devices and make your mobility. You can work with your big Excel documents when you in the airport with a bad Wi-Fi, and when your laptop can't work or open this document. And you can increase your RAM, for example, and CPU power is and this can change the world. Because of this, we come to the finals of Imagine Cup. And also you should have not only this problem solving, you should have and new new technique or new technology for this, and that can make a lot of money. Okay. Okay, first project I make only in myself, and is like a school project that don't make it for making money. Is only like you have an idea and want to make something new. Is like something scientific, and because of this, I have an idea and make it code a lot, and increase my Python skills and increase my neural network skills, and this is the best that I have in this time. And I think is the main that Imagine Cup make with you. You open, for example, Visual Studio Code and start to make something new, and not only change the world and increase your experience and increase your skills, make a lot of new for you and for your friends. If you have a team, is something new. Second project we was we have been making in the big team. Nowadays we have maybe 8 programmers here, and it's something new. You can read a lot of books about management, about, for example, Scrum, about something skills and soft skills, and it's help you to work with the people. And I think is something good and is the future if you want to work like a programmer. And how we will increase the project after Imagine Cup and why ImCup is a very cool experience. Okay, nowadays we move from Minsk to St. Petersburg, and here we work with our project and start to work in Kirovsky Zavod. Imagine Cup helps us to make a new business model and put a lot of hypotheses to work with them and understand what we really need and what our clients need to work with them and start to work with them. For example, is like a customer development. We make a only technical side, but don't have a real product. And nowadays we work with it, and maybe in time it will help us to make money. Also, Imagine Cup help us to increase our LinkedIn profiles because it's very cool if you have a certificate from Imagine Cup or have many diplomas from world conferences. For example, I have many offers for ABA company and EPAM systems company in Belarus, but I only first course and I want to make something new and this startups is something interesting and you can go to the job when you want if you have a cool CV. And thank you very much for your attention and I suppose I will see you on the Imagine Cup. And goodbye.